I'm going to show you how to give your Eigent project an Inkbox identity, including its own email address and a phone number. In the Inkbox console, I'll create a new identity. Let's call it Personal Assistant. And I'll also give it a local Massachusetts phone number. Once the identity is created, I'll copy the quick start prompt and paste it to a fresh Eigent project. The agent will ask my permission to finish the onboarding, and shortly I should be getting this email from the agent. This confirms it has access to its new identity. Now let's set up the SMS. I want my agent to wake up as soon as a new text message arrives. For this, we'll need to set up an Eigent webhook. When there's an incoming SMS, I want the agent to fetch the relevant context, perform some task, and respond to my message. So I'll add that to the system prompt. I'll also enable headers and metadata for extra information to the agent. I'll copy this link and paste it into Inkbox, where I need to update the phone configs. Now, to allow my agent to actually text me, I'll need to go ahead and send it the start command. And we're ready to test the whole flow. What's the weather in Boston? This kicked off an Eigent task, and as soon as the agent's done with the search, I should be getting a response. Looks like it's 74 and slightly cloudy. To give your AI agents their own identities, including emails, phone numbers, and much more, go check out Inkbox.